I know what you're looking for. That's why you're here in my channel. Welcome. This is Maria here, and today in this amazing episode, I'm going to give you what you want to see. Something easy, something new, something that you probably never have seen before on the internet. And this is the right place where you're going to find it. I am going to be hiding some favorite objects that I have inside my journal's cover, my tags, my labels, my cards, and probably inside everything I want. Just using a piece of fabric, something that you really love, that you treasured, and probably you have been keeping in a box for a long time. And of course, you will need a needle and thread. This technique is really easy and you just need to have to place your treasure between two pieces of fabric and then you start sewing all the way around, going up and down, like when you are embroidering using a hoop. As you can see here, this is a little Barbie purse that I put inside the two little pieces of fabric, and you can see all the purse around, and it's beautiful and nice. So I recommend you to start using a button because it's an easy shape. You're just gonna go around clockwise and then you're gonna come back counterclock. So in that way, you're gonna create just one line of stitches. Try to keep both fabrics firmly so you can see the effect when you pull the fabric and the object is gonna be easily seen, like you see here, from the top and also from the back of the fabric. So this is super easy and I hope you try it and I hope you like it. And of course, this is the first video for the whole series about this technique and how to hide treasures to be used in your junk journals, in your scrapbooks, in your cards, in your diaries, your agendas, and even in books covers or anywhere you can imagine. In your jackets, in your dresses, this is going to be a lot of fabric to cut and a lot of treasures to hide. I'm going to create a playlist about this technique and I hope you watch all the videos so you can see all the modalities and good things that you can make using this technique. In this video, I'm just telling you the first part, like is how to place the object between the two fabrics and have them together and sewn together so you can see how to do it. I recommend you to use a cotton fabric, probably a firm one that doesn't stretch too much to start. And then we're going to do the variation of the technique. A good point to start is hiding a button, as you're seeing in here, choosing a medium sized one and place it on the base of your fabric and cover it with another piece of fabric, literally like making a sandwich where the fabric is the bread and the button is the cheese. Then you start sewing the way that I'm doing in here, and right now I'm finishing the in the back of the button. Remember that I'm gonna create a playlist about this technique, and I hope you follow all my videos, subscribe to my channel, click the button at the end of this video, or click the subscription button down below. Also, I am going to be leaving you the related links down below in the description box of this video so you can enjoy all the beautiful things and new ideas I am giving you in this amazing channel, Maria Created Mind. Stay tuned because this is only the beginning of an amazing journey. See you soon. Bye, friends. Bye bye. Bye, friends.